Ever wonder that you can make money by designing graphics in CorelDRAW, Illustrator, or even in Photoshop? Yes, you can. In this video I will be showing you the best 2 places to sell your graphics and which one I will be recommending based on my experience. So please watch the full video, otherwise you might miss the most important tip I am giving at end of this video to double your earnings even if no one downloads or look at your designs. Before starting, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press bell icon below, so that you won't miss any important videos coming up. Before going to these places, let me explain a very important word to remember while selling. The term exclusive or exclusive content means that you can't sell the item posted on their website to another website. So if you agree to an exclusive agreement, make sure not to post the items you posted on their website in another place. So we are ready and let's dive in. If you are a beginner and just getting started, then I would recommend pngtree. pngtree is the first website that I have posted and earned my first dollar. Let's see why pngtree. For starters, it's easy to get your designs accepted and start earning. Another reason for pngtree is that high visibility. Yes, once you submit a good design, they will promote your designs and it will come in top of the Google searches. The most importantly, they have exclusive agreement, and due to that they pays a lot more than other websites. If you want details pay per download, make sure to visit upload.pngtree.com and navigate to contributor price plan to see all the details. When you go to upload.pngtree.com for the item, it will ask you to sign in. So please sign in using your favorite method and make sure to fill all of the information they ask, so you can start uploading your files to portal. From here you can see your published and rejected designs also. If you face any difficulty in any of these parts, make sure to comment down below after subscribing to this channel, so that I will be more than happy to help you with the issue. Once you get more and more experience, then it's time for you to move to freepik. You might be asking yourself that why I am going to move to freepik while I am here at pngtree making a lot of money. The real reason is that freepik has larger audience than pngtree, so more customers will reach your designs and you might get even more download. So on freepik website, navigate to sell your content and get started. The process for registration is nearly same as pngtree with a different design or GUI. If you have submitted designs on pngtree, then you will know your way around in freepik. The real question you guys might be asking me is that, why didn't you tell about freepik before? Thoughts: because it's harder to get your designs to get approved in freepik for beginners. Remember that tips I told in beginning of this video. The way you can earn more money without getting downloads is by uploading designs to events they will host on contributors. If you go to your dashboard, you can see these events and what you need to do. Normally you need to upload designs on a particular theme, and they will pay for the designs you upload even if it got 0 downloads. Seems good, right? So before I end this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section below.